Well, Unity Day is an annual event that occurs on the month of October during Bullying Prevention Month. It's to promote healthier communities through joining together for kindness and acceptance of differences and inclusion. This month it falls on October 19th, so plan to wear and share the color orange that day. We talk about bullying the whole month. As a counselor, we are going into the classrooms doing lessons about bullying, what is bullying, what it looks like, what it sounds like. We show videos, we discuss. School counselors are always ready to meet with students that need support to deal with or talk about bullying concerns.
I think it's important that students understand what bullying is and the different types of bullying. It can have a different effect on each one of us, and students need to be able to identify the different effects and know what to do when bullied. You can always talk to a trusted adult or tell your teacher. Always believe in yourself. Never let anybody get you down or put you down.